Hey guys, I'm working on this fender bracket for the Raptor. It's all bent up, you can see here. And then this is a headlight carried off a old Honda, I'm not sure what. It used to be like this. And the side was more square to make the part that went around the headlight. Which is the same size tubing I needed in there. I got a piece of a bolt in there to in this cut. I got this in the center of these two brackets, so it was hard to measure this one like. That'll be, I'll cut this little tiny bracket off, weld it on there. These are the brackets for the headlight, I'll cut them off. I'll weld this end on where I need it to be there. I'll show you when we get her together anyways. Hey guys, I got this thing all welded together. Roughly what we're going for. A lot of these holes would have been just in case anyways, I'm going to sand it up and see how it fits. I'm not going to test fit it, I'm going for it. Yeah, when it happens. Yeah, anyways, worked out pretty good. Cut that bracket off. Other two welded it on. Cut this off the factory piece and welded it on. Basically, this corner is from a headlight. Honda. That's where I cut this bracket off of right there. In the corner.
There you go, guys. So you can see that the front fender is on. There's the bracket that we made up out of the Honda headlight brakes. That worked out really, really good. Especially for just using old random pieces and material that we had kicking around.
I got these tie rods off of, say, a 13 Grizzly 700. I just put them on, and anyways, they're just a hair too. I need a hair more adjustment so that I can get the alignment right. That was with both tie rods in like that all the way to the end. So I'm going to cut an inch off. I think that's more than I need, and it'll leave some room for adjustment. Just have to go with the thickness of this masking tape. I already cut one off. There's the piece there. This is the tie rod. I'm going to run the tap in there. There's still some threads left, but I'm going to make them an inch longer, I guess. I'm cutting the inner end where it takes a right-hand thread tap. You cut it off this end, you probably won't find left-handed tap to redo it. I tried this with the drill. It didn't work. It seems to be pretty hard. Serious. Yeah. I'm gonna heat this up and try and take some of the hardness out of the steel.
All right, so it definitely took a lot more effort to do these tie rods than we were expecting. They were really, really hard metal, and it took a long time to put the threads back on, but they're on. So those are the modified tie rods from a Grizzly 700 to give the bike the extra width that it needs from this widening kit here. So that worked out really, really good. All right, guys. Well, thank you for stopping by Maccustoms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us grow. And like the video, leave us a comment, and we will see you next time.